The Statue of Liberty, a colossal neoclassical sculpture, stands as a powerful symbol of freedom and democracy at the entrance of New York Harbor, a gift from France to the United States. This iconic monument has become not only a fixture of the New York City skyline but also a universal emblem of liberty and hope. Here, we delve into the history, design, symbolism, and cultural impact of the Statue of Liberty. Bartholdi, inspired by ancient Roman and Greek art, designed the statue with the intention of symbolizing freedom and enlightenment. The statue's full name is Liberty Enlightening the World. Construction of the statue began in France in 1875, and it was completed in 1884. The statue is made of copper sheets, with the framework designed by Gustave Eiffel, the same engineer behind the Eiffel Tower. Once completed, the disassembled statue was shipped to the United States in over 200 crates. It arrived in New York in 1885, and the reassembly process on Liberty Island took several months. On October 28, 1886, President Grover Cleveland officially dedicated the Statue of Liberty in a ceremony that marked the fulfillment of Laboulaye's vision. The Statue of Liberty stands at a height of 305 feet from the ground to the tip of its torch. The statue itself is 151 feet tall, and its pedestal adds an additional 154 feet. The torch-bearing arm rises 42 feet above the statue's head. The statue weighs a staggering 450,000 pounds. The Statue of Liberty is laden with symbolism. The torch she holds high represents enlightenment and the path to freedom. The crown, adorned with 7 spikes, symbolizes the 7 continents and the 7 seas, signifying universality. The tablet in her left hand bears the inscription of the date of the Declaration of Independence, emphasizing the historical connection between the statue and American independence. Since its dedication, the Statue of Liberty has become an enduring symbol of freedom, democracy, and the American dream. It has been featured in numerous films, television shows, and works of literature, further embedding its significance in popular culture. Its image is often used to represent the ideals of liberty and democracy worldwide. The statue's location at the entrance of New York Harbor made it a poignant symbol for the millions of immigrants who arrived in the United States seeking a better life. The statue's torch served as a guiding light for those approaching America's shores, embodying the promise of freedom and opportunity. Visitors to the Statue of Liberty can access the crown, which offers panoramic views of New York Harbor and Manhattan. However, due to safety concerns and the narrow staircase, access to the crown is limited and requires advanced reservations. Over the years, the statue has undergone several renovations and restorations to preserve its structural integrity. The most significant restoration occurred from 1984 to 1986, in preparation for the centennial celebration of its dedication. The centennial celebration of the Statue of Liberty in 1986 included events and festivities throughout the year, culminating in the spectacular Liberty Weekend attended by millions. President Ronald Reagan presided over the reopening ceremony on July 5, 1986. Following extensive restoration efforts, the Statue of Liberty stands not only as a magnificent work of art and engineering, but also as a profound symbol of freedom, democracy, and the enduring friendship between France and the United States. Its cultural impact is immeasurable, and its towering presence continues to inspire generations with the ideals it represents. As a beacon of hope and liberty, the Statue of Liberty remains an enduring testament to the shared values of humanity.